All right, guys, what's happening? Levi Trumbull reporting here. We are here today to hit you guys with an update as it relates to Chelsea Phoenix. Now, I want to say right from the get-go, if you do not know who I'm talking about, you don't know the situation, you want to click the playlist in the description below. You'll learn everything about this situation. You'll be caught up to speed, but most of you are very familiar with who I'm talking about. So with that, let's just dive in. Crazy developments as it relates to Chelsea Phoenix, aka the menace to society, as now I am going to start referring to her as. So here's the situation. The last time we came to you about Chelsea Phoenix, we told you that she was arrested on a violation of probation as it related to allegations from the state that she had escaped the Passionate Behavioral Health Program. You remember that she was sentenced to 18 months in jail, a 10-year suspended sentence, but had to serve 18. She was released after 9 months and sprung into a program entitled Passionate Behavioral Health Program that was to help her overcome her issues in life. Well, the state alleged that she had escaped this program and was not complying with the terms of her probation, one of which was they alleged that she was on drugs. They alleged that she was taking off her ankle monitor that was being used to track her via GPS. There was a hostess of things that were being alleged. Well, anyway, she was brought before the court and she was released back into a different program, one called Project Chesapeake. Well, the state now alleges that she escaped the Project Chesapeake health program, and that was the cause for them to issue a new arrest warrant to have Chelsea rearrested for the second time for a probation violation, but in general, her third arrest warrant. So guys, this is a crazy situation here, and here's what happened when she ultimately was in court last Friday. She was brought before Judge Minner, and she tried to weasel her way out of it by saying, oh, and I kid you not, guys, she actually told the court that her probation officer advised her that she needed to take off her ankle monitor because there was a new set of allegations from the state that, number one, she escaped the Project Chesapeake program, making that the second program they alleged that she escaped from, and also additional allegations that she was not complying with GPS monitoring, that being her ankle monitor. So again, the same set of circumstances as the first time. She tried to say, oh, my probation officer told me I needed to take it off. It was all nonsense. It was confirmed that that was not the case. And this time, Judge Minner in the circuit court held her without bond. Judge Minner released her the first time around, put her back into a new program, but this time it was no shot of that happening. Judge Minner is now holding Chelsea Phoenix back into the Frederick County Adult Detention Center until April of this year, when she has her actual probation violation hearing. So guys, there's a lot going on. And I also want to mention that Chelsea Phoenix has been hit with a second round of criminal charges, not just the circuit court case, the one that she is, guilty of at this point. Not only is that case reopened, but now she has been hit with a separate charging document charging her with the misdemeanor of escape. Again, that is for taking off that ankle monitor and not following the terms of her probation. So guys, at this point, Chelsea Phoenix is back in jail yet again, her second allegation of a probation violation and her third arrest warrant in this situation. She is out of control, and I'm just gonna be real with you guys for 1 second. Here in Frederick County, here at the state's attorney's office, here with the judges and everyone who runs a court docket, Chelsea Phoenix is making a mockery of the process. Just because she's a 20-year-old woman, maybe she looks like she's an American Girl doll, I'm not sure. I just feel like at this point, real actions need to be taken against her. Her actions need to have real consequences up in this court, because for anyone else, I think it would be so. This time, it's looking to me like Chelsea Phoenix is going back in the slammer for quite some time. We know that she's going to be there up up and until April, when she actually has her probation hearing. She's in jail until that. They're going to hold her at least until that. But guys, this time, I think she goes back for good. I think that the circuit court is sick and tired of dealing with Miss Phoenix. They are starting to understand what many understand, including myself at this point, which is that she is a menace to society. She is a serial violator of the law, a serial violator of her probation, and this is not going to be a good situation for her. So with that, guys, that is the latest update as it relates to Chelsea Phoenix. We are going to be here in April when she has her probation hearing to see if she is going to be adjudicated guilty in terms of violating that probation, the terms of her release. It seems like it's going to be that way, at least from my standpoint, but obviously we'll let you know what happens when it actually does happen. So with that, guys, Levi Trumbull outside of the Frederick County Courthouse in Frederick, Maryland, and we will catch you guys very soon.